Look
Put
at
your feet
you.
on. Put your feet on. Good job. Now push. Push. Push hard. Now put your feet on. There you go. Push. Push. Oops. Push. Put your foot on it. There you go. You're making it go, aren't you? He's been watching me kids on tricycles.
Has he?
Yep. It's not going to go anywhere unless you sit on it and push.